We kick off our journey into the world of computing by exploring its roots. The concept of computing is not a modern phenomenon. It dates back to early human history, when our ancestors used basic tools to solve problems. Fast forward to the 19th century, we see the birth of mechanical computing with the invention of the analytical engine by Charles Babbage. This was the first machine that could be programmed to carry out any type of calculation, a major milestone in the history of computing. In the mid-20th century, the invention of the transistor revolutionized computing. Transistors, smaller and more reliable than their vacuum tube predecessors, led to the creation of smaller, faster, and cheaper computers. This was the dawn of the digital age. Today, computing is everywhere. It's in our pockets, on our wrists, in our cars, and in our homes. It's used in everything from communication and entertainment to healthcare and transportation. It's a tool that has transformed our lives in countless ways. But what is computing, really? At its core, computing is about problem solving. It's about using machines, software, and algorithms to solve problems and perform tasks more efficiently and effectively than we could otherwise. As we delve deeper into this fascinating world, we'll explore the different types of computing, from personal computing to cloud computing and everything in between. We'll look at how computing has evolved over the years and where it's headed in the future.